How to use A/B testing to optimize your e-commerce store. A/B testing is a great way to optimize your e-commerce store. Testing different store versions allow you to determine what works best for your customers. Here are some tips on how to use A/B testing to optimize your e-commerce store. Number 1. Test different versions of your store. Testing different store versions allow you to determine what works best for your customers. Try changing the layout, design, and even the products you offer. Number 2. Keep track of your results. Keep track of your results to see what is working and what is not. A/B testing can be a great way to improve your store, but only if you keep track of the results. Number 3. Be patient. A/B testing can take some time, so be patient. Don't expect to see results overnight. Give it some time, and you will eventually see the results you are looking for. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.